Hello everyone, welcome to my Dead by Daylight mobile series season 1, episode 7. And today we're going to be doing Cannibal. Yes, it's a big skip, and you've seen I've purchased Oryx cells. And yeah, I just want to test them out. These are the perks I'm going to run on him, and I'll see you when I get into a match. Okay, Cold Wind Farm. This is meant to be the unofficial map for Cannibal. Yeah, I think the perks in Cannibal are really good. So now my aim's to try to find the sneaky brats. Where are you, sneaky brats? Oh, yeah, I see ya. I was looking for an opportunity to use my chainsaw, but never mind. Smash that pallet too early, boy. Oh well. Hook right there, dude. Cool. Can't blind me, dude. Dude. Ooh, can I hit you? Can I hit you? Please do. No. Okay. I have to do it the old way. Okay. Let's go smash that pallet, break it. Went that way. Dude. Okay. I'm just kicking all these, destroying all these god pallets. Now they're like completely unuseful because I've destroyed them. That's how the matches go. Where did you go? Oh, you went up the hill. All right. Well. Well, that was new. You're a new one? Right. Expected. Bloodless. Dead hard. Oh. Yeah, I completely forgot there was a pallet there. Okay. You voted that. You sneaky rat. You went that way. Yeah, I see you now. Oh my gosh. These people are not that easy to kill. Alrighty. I think I'm gonna get this one, Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this one. Let's go. And then my barbecue and chili is gonna activate, and I can see all those survivors for a few seconds. Okay, I see ya. Over there. Right. See your scratch marks. Scratch marks appeared. Oh, it must be going that way. Oh well. They're getting gens done. And by the way, that was not the best idea. Because you just got yourself down. Wow. There are some really stupid survivors. Well, I think he ran that way. So, pick you up. Oh, you've got a flashlight. Are you kidding me? Well, I guess that didn't make much of a difference. Just, I lost precious time. Kick this pallet. Went that way, hey. Pallet's here's gone. Now get wrecked. Oh, wow. I thought that would have hit. Lag. Shouldn't have run back, Meg. Right. Pick you up. And, see auras. Well, I didn't see any auras right there. Okay. Search this locker. Go back to the Meg. Because that Jake Park, I'm sure it's somewhere here. Waiting to save that Meg. So, meanwhile, I'm just going to check out on other gens. Alrighty, that gen's not repairing. I cannot afford to let any of them get any more gens done. Oh wow. That's the thing I hate about Cannibal's chainsaw. Yes. Oh. Are you kidding me? Okay, whatever. Are you here? No? Oh yeah, I see scratch marks. I see blood trails. And I see you. What? That Jake Park didn't scream. Wow, he's really good at tolerating pain. Maggie, oh, it's a knee. Shouldn't have done that knee. Wait, I think there's someone else. Is there? No. Okay. No way you're gonna blind me. And you just got yourself injured. Just great. And then I'll chase after you. And then I'm gonna slaughter you. Like you. Yes. Oh. Well, that was easy. Certainly easy. It's time to change sides, survivors. You've done enough gens. No, I'm gonna kill you all. Okay. Oh, I totally see you, knee. Ah, deep wound. Yes, 2 survivors in 1 swing. That's what I like to see. Oi. Where's the knee? Oh, yeah. Okay, put you on that hook. Alright. This is going quite well in my opinion. Okay, I'll go check on that gen. Oh yeah, and I see you. Ah, and you're both here. And you are the one healthy. Get close to ya. Bad choice, Jake Park. Pick you up. Put you on this hook. And go after that detective tap, which I see right there. Right here. This is what I like to see. Wait, is this even... No, this is not detective tap. Oh, yeah. Dead hard gone? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. He's got adrenaline. I've got Hex. No one escapes death. Kind of evens out. Alright. I have no idea where he's gone. Where are you? Where are you? Looks like I've just got to guard these exit gates. This is gonna be tough. Tough. No lights? No one. Okay, this is our job. Hopefully my Hex doesn't get... Oh yeah, you're definitely there. Now I'm not giving up on you. Or you. Didn't thought I had Hex No One Escape Death. Didn't even have time to open that exit gate. Poor you. Hook you, and I won the game. Just great. Very good news. I always like to swing my chainsaw around. Swing. Yeah, I love a Cannibal. Well, that was a very good game. Certainly, I love Cannibal. And I'll see you in episode 8 of, so, yeah.